Hello, welcome to the inside of a Ford Ranger Tremor. My name is Chira Siena, and you're here to watch a drag race between a new school bakkie, the Shangan Hunter Reeve, and an old school bakkie, the Ford Ranger Tremor. But before we get started, remember Cars.co.za has over 72,000 cars for sale right now on our site. Go check it out, and let's have a word from Carl. Pistol fingers. I don't know why I did the pistol, that's a bit weird. We'll edit that part out.
Anyways, she's old.
With Cars.co.za, you can use WhatsApp to chat directly with dealers or private sellers. Real people, real-time answers. No cold calls.
Yes, I realize that.
Just straight talk about your car and what you want. You can now most search for cars there inside WhatsApp. Boom! Chat, negotiate, sort out paperwork, all without putting on your pluckies. WhatsApp on Cars.co.za.
So increasingly, Chinese bakkies are coming onto the market with very complicated powertrains. So that bakkie, the Hunter Reeve, has two electric motors and it has a petrol motor, but the petrol motor is not connected to the wheels in any way, it's just a generator. This old school bakkie is just a bakkie. It has a diesel engine and a gearbox which sends power to all four wheels. So we thought, if we drag race old school versus new school, what would actually happen? So 154 kilowatts, 500 newtons in here.
I've got 200 kilowatts, 470 Newton meters, and I don't know how this is going to do because Chang'an doesn't claim a 0 to 100 time. Ford doesn't claim a 0 to 100 time for this. He's got a little bit more torque than me. I've got more power. I've got the added weight of the complex batteries and powertrain. So this could be neck and neck.
All right, Dave, here we go. A bakkie from space versus an old school bakkie.
Okay, I switched off my generator. I've gone back into battery and I'm now in sport and I think I'm ready to go.
I don't have a sports mode. I've got mud and ruts and I've got rock crawl. Should I put it in rock crawl?
I think with those tires, I think every day is a rock crawl.
Dave, is this the engine with a wet belt system? Oh my God, everyone panic! Wet belt! My car's gonna explode! Ah!
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, decent pull away from the Ranger. No,
The electric car is going, and this is very leisurely.
that Hunter is gone.
I've pulled away from the Ranger.
I'm completely foot flat here, and I am not going to catch him.
Whee! Oh, that's awesome.
Exit speed 130. Okay, Dave, I'm gonna try too high for this one.
Okay, that sounds good. I'm also gonna leave like a millisecond, 100th later than you because I think I jumped by like 100th of a millisecond. So I'll leave a little bit later.
A Ranger set.
Dave set.
Game place.
3, 2, 1, go!
We're off. 2H seemed to be a bit of a better launch. He's not pulling away from me as much this time.
Oh, here comes the Ranger's torque. Oh, this is much closer. No!
Oh my word, I think I'm coming back. Am I coming back? I'm coming back! Ah, it's so close!
No electricity! Oh! That was very close.
Woo! I don't know what just happened.
If that race had been another 100 meters, I would have had problems.
Do you think I got you on the line there?
Yeah, that was very close. Too close for comfort.
Okay, rolling race. So usually you guys ask for a rolling race, so we would like to provide one for you. Okay, cool, Dave, 30 k's an hour.
Here we go. I'm quite scared.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, electricity is ahead.
Oh my word, that Hunter just leaped. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to come back at him here. Nah,
I actually think I may have this.
he's got this one. He's pulled 2 car lengths on me.
The diesel is not coming. Whee!
And across the line. 130 k's an hour.
How strange. Is it possible that maybe your gearbox has got too many ratios and it's trying to kick down too much?
Dave, you're in a Chinese bakkie with 2 electric motors, a battery, and a range extender petrol motor. Anything's possible.